Hello everyone, Paul here again from eCOMMERCEimages.com with your next video on what to include in your product photography toolkit. So, microfiber cloths, really important bit of kit to have. It's not sexy, meow, but it's very important. I've been through it before with you guys in terms of selecting the best stock that you have to be able to shoot. It's very important that you go through your stock, make sure the boxes aren't damaged, the ink isn't scratched and so on, boxes aren't dog-eared in any way. And then also with the products, it's very important if you've already handled them that they get cleaned up. So I personally use microfiber cloths and accept no substitutes, that old cheesy line, really important. Many cloths, if you're going to use something that's a regular, an old pair of undies or whatever it might be that you've got lying around. Brother, they'll leave lint on the product and it's actually going to make the product look worse potentially than when you started cleaning it. So it's very important that you take microfiber cloths because that's going to make sure it's not going to leave dust all over the product. I'm going to leave a link down below to a product that I recommend, and this is really good, something like this, because this has got different types. They're color coded microfiber cloths, and there's one in here for glass. Glass is particularly tricky, as you guys are probably aware once you've started handling it. So these ones give you some really good options with different textures to make sure we get all those grubby little paw prints off your products and have them looking real sexy and get you selling real soon. So that's it from me today, guys. Thank you very much. Stay well, and I'll speak to you very soon.